Then go. Go.
Happy birthday, Uncle Wood.
Okay, I want you guys. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Uncle Wood. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, do it again. One more time. I want happy.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Make it like happy. Sing like you mean it. Okay, Jezebel, kanta ka. Happy.
Happy birthday to you.
There you go.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Who?
Uncle Roger. She skipped.
Okay, do it again. One more time.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday, Uncle Roger. Happy birthday to you.
Okay. Happy birthday, Uncle Budget.
Happy birthday, Uncle Roger.
So, you wanna say something? Yeah.
Play the guitar.
Gusto mag-gitara? Ba't gusto mag-gitara? Jezebel, magsalita ka ng Tagalog.
Jezebel, you're gonna break the strings. You're gonna break
Jezebel?
the strings.
Gusto mag-gitara?
Yeah, I'll be.
Mag-greet ka muna kay Uncle Budget. Greet ka muna kay Uncle Budget. Jezebel. 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 I'm not gonna let you play.
Let me
Okay.
play.
Magsalita ka.
I'll play.
Sabi mo kay Uncle Budget, Uncle Budget, pili mo ako ng toy. Sige na. Okay.
Daddy, gusto ko ang bibili.
Bakit Daddy? Uncle Budget.
Uncle Bojo kasi ang bibili ng toy.
Bili mo
Baboy,
maraming toy. Bili
baboy.
mo maraming toy.
Barbie.
Gusto mo ng Barbie?
Yeah. Toy. Toy.
Ako sama sa Uncle Budget.
Toy. Toy.
Basta Uncle Budget.
Boy.
What about you, Jen?
Ow! My Uncle Roger is me, Julian. We miss you in the Philippines.
Say, have something. Where did you get this pillow?
Was mine.
How come there's no cover?
I don't know.
Okay, put it.
It's brown and gold.
Okay, sing something.
We love you, Uncle Roger.
Yeah,
We miss you in the Philippines.
yeah. You still remember him? You still remember him?
I don't know.
Yeah. What about you?
never seen him. I saw him before.
Oh yeah?
I saw him inside Mom's tummy.
Mommy's
No.
tummy?
Yes. Mommy was wearing a shirt.
Uncle Budget is inside.
I saw the whole.
Is inside.
I saw it.
Is inside.
I saw a shadow. Liar.
You saw Uncle Budget inside Mommy's tummy?
Yeah, I saw a circle. In your mom's tummy, she meant.
Mm.
No. The tummy is too, was made out of, Daddy, can I tell you something?
like fat.
Daddy, if you have a lot of brothers and sisters, how could it fit in your mom's tummy?
I don't know.
Grandma got lots of kids. Josephina. Josephina got lots of kids.
Ah, yeah?
They're born on different days. They're not. If
Kanta ka Tagalog. Kanta ka Tagalog. Kanta ka Tagalog.
Bakit,
Mag-Tagalog ka. Kanta kang Tagalog.
bakit Tagalog?
Sige, kanta ka. Kanta kang Tagalog.
Kay Uncle Boogie?
Okay, Uncle Budget. Sige, kanta, kanta.
Kaka-kaka.
Kanta ka na. Kanta na. Kanta na. Kanta na. What about you, Jillian? You wanna sing Tagalog? Why? Come on, say Tagalog. Come on. Jezebel. Say bahay kubo.
Bye, kubo.
Kahit
Kahit
munti
kahit munti
ang halaman doon
ang halaman doon
ay sari-sari.
ay sari-sari.
Oh, you russet chicks, russet chicks, russet chicks, you russet chicks, russet chicks, russet chicks, russet chicks, russet chicks, russet chicks, russet chicks.
No more! What are you going to get? Ow! Turn it with my song.
Your chick is so red, like you're like a reindeer, you're like a Santa Claus, like reindeer. Okay, say bye, Uncle Budget.
My uncle we miss you. We miss you.
Oh, Tagalog, balik ka, punta ka dito.
Your tone is so ugly.
Punta ka dito. Punta ka dito.
Punta ka dito.
Bakit? Ba't siya pupunta?
Dito eh.
Bakit siya pupunta dito?
Ako dan ng Pilipinas.
Gustong Pilipinas?
Oo.
Gusto mo?
Kasi gusto ko
awan
to.
siyang kugang.
Mm.
Daddy, what is this?
Mayben? You want to say something Tagalog?
I don't know.
Only just about speak Tagalog. Yeah, now you go ruin it.
it.
Okay,
I
anyway.
understand it.
Okay, wait.
For you to.
Kuya Budget, sensya ka na, I just, wait, let me see. I'm gonna put it right here. Kuya Budget, happy birthday, happy 50th birthday. I just got home from work. It's 9 o'clock p.m. So, lagay ko to sa YouTube. Happy birthday, ingat kayo palagi. Saka, ingat sa chicks. Say, ingat sa chicks. No, biro lang. Happy birthday. Ingat, bye.
Bye, we miss you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Ate Josie.
Hi, Josie.
Ate Josie. Auntie Josie.
Oh yeah.
That's Uncle, Uncle Budget's wife.
What?
It's still their birthday?
No, only, Uncle Budget. Okay, happy birthday. Ingat kayo. Sorry, late ang greetings.
Can you carry it?
Magtrabaho mo buti. Maghanap ka ng...
No, can you make it straight?
Anyway, wala akong masabi. Pasensya ka na, wala akong masabi. Pero ingat na lang ha. Sana may kami ulit dyan. Get together tayo ulit. Family reunion. So, ingat na lang. Okay, bye.
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 We miss you.